welcome back to my channel!
What is electricity?
Electricity is the flow of electrons. Electricity gives us light.
Or in this case, limelight.
What if I told you could make a battery using lemons? How many lemons would you think I would need to power the house? So I guess when life gives you lemons, you turn it into light. This is a zinc galvanized screw. And this is a copper penny. Two different metals. So, do you know how a battery works? Two different metals in an acidic solution. So what if you put these two different metals in a lemon? Wouldn't that be a battery? And could that battery light a little light? Let's see. To make your own lemon battery, you will need 4 lemons, 4 pennies, 4 galvanized screws. You will need 5 crocodile clips and 1 LED. Are you ready? Do you see this? This is light and we're just made out of lemons. This copper is connected to the screw in the other lemon. So copper and zinc are exchanging electrons. The electrons are flowing from the copper penny to the zinc through the juice of the lemon. And that creates electricity. Isn't that awesome? Do you see that?
I can control light now.
If you liked our science and electrical video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye! See you in the next video. Stay in the limelight.